Welcome to Harmony at Pavilion Park by K. Hovnanian Homes. Elegant homes in an exclusive master-planned community in Orange County, California. Located in the affluent city of Irvine, all the fun and conveniences you could want are close to home. Spend the day under the sun at Newport Beach, or enjoy one of the many amusement parks nearby. Cheer on your favorite baseball team at Angel Stadium, or enjoy upscale shopping at some of California's best shopping and lifestyle centers. All these world-class destinations are just minutes away. With great schools and easy access to highways and the John Wayne Airport, Orange County, this is an ideal community for the whole family. Right at home, there's a rich variety of fun and fitness. The neighborhood park is a central gathering place to enjoy time with friends and family. Lounge by the pool and soak in the spa. Enjoy dinner outside at one of the outdoor kitchens with grilling stations or around the grand fire pit. Tend your plants in the community greenhouse. Plus, an exciting playground, basketball court, and winding hike and bike trails give everyone a place to have fun and stay fit. You'll immediately feel at home in Harmony at Pavilion Park. Stately trees line the roads. More than 150 heritage trees were rescued and relocated here from the Marine Corps Air Station El Toro. Home designs feature an exquisite variety of exterior architecture, from Spanish and Craftsman to Monterey and American farmhouse. 3 spacious home designs feature up to approximately 3,722 square feet, 5 bedrooms, and 6 bathrooms. Rooms transition seamlessly from one to the next with modern, open floor plans. Gourmet kitchens are full of high-end features, like granite countertops and name-brand appliances. Unique living areas offer several inviting gathering spaces inside and out, from bright California rooms to beautiful decks. Master suites are a luxurious retreat with private bath, soaking tub, and walk-in closet. Redefine the way you live in Harmony at Pavilion Park by K. Hovnanian Homes, where stunning homes and unparalleled amenities are yours every day.